Welcome to DocuTopic, The Lost Humans, the mystery of the Denisovans. For more fascinating documentaries, don't forget to subscribe to DocuTopic. Imagine this. In the frozen silence of Siberia's Altai Mountains lies a cave, dark, ancient, untouched. For thousands of years, it guarded a secret about who we are and who we once were. This is the story of a forgotten kind of human, a people unknown until a single, tiny bone changed everything. The Denisovans. Their discovery would rewrite the story of humankind forever. It began with a child's finger bone, found deep inside Denisova Cave in 2010. When scientists analyzed its DNA, the result stunned the world. This was not Neanderthal, nor modern human. It was something else entirely, a new branch of humanity. From that single fragment, we learned of a people who once walked beside us, and then vanished. The world called them the Denisovans. To this day, only a few fossils exist, a finger bone, a few teeth, a skull piece, and a broken rib. Yet from these fragments, an entire lost world emerges. A jawbone high in the Tibetan plateau showed that Denisovans lived where oxygen is scarce. Another fossil, found near Taiwan, revealed they reached far into Southeast Asia. They were everywhere, and yet almost nowhere to be found. Denisova Cave was no ordinary shelter. It was a crossroads. Its layers tell of three species: Denisovans, Neanderthals, and us. Ancient DNA in the soil shows they sometimes lived there together, sharing the same firelight, perhaps the same stories. Imagine it, three kinds of humans beneath one roof. Among the discoveries was a girl named Deni. Her DNA revealed she had a Neanderthal mother and a Denisovan father, a true hybrid, proof that these ancient people met and had children together. When you think of Deni, you realize the line between us and them was never so clear. Even though the Denisovans disappeared long ago, they never truly vanished. Their DNA lives on, in us. People in parts of Southeast Asia and Oceania still carry Denisovan genes, and in Tibet, one of their genetic gifts helps people breathe in thin air. Every heartbeat in the Himalayas carries a whisper from our ancient cousins. Denisovans were survivors. They made tools from bone and ivory, crafted jewelry, and lived across harsh, changing worlds. They were explorers, innovators, and for a time, survivors. Until one day, they weren't. What happened to them? No disaster, no final battle, just silence. Maybe they blended into us. Maybe the climate turned against them, but their story and their DNA remained. Today, science still digs deeper. DNA can now be pulled not only from bones, but from the soil itself, tiny traces revealing who once walked a cave's floor. Each new discovery, a rib here, a tooth there, adds another piece to the puzzle. Perhaps one day we'll finally see their faces again. So, who were the Denisovans? They were not strangers. They were us, part of the same vast family. Their blood flows quietly through millions alive today. Their strength, their creativity, their resilience, all still live within us. From one small finger bone in a silent cave, we found a connection stretching back through time itself. The Denisovans remind us that humanity is never alone. We are built from shared firelight, from forgotten faces, from echoes of the lost. And sometimes, it takes a single bone to remind us where we truly come from. For more powerful journeys into the unknown, subscribe now to DocuTopic and keep exploring the mysteries that shaped our world.